On this tab in Setup, we've got options relating to the calendar and Gantt screens. So here we've got the ability to specify that the first day of the week is a specific day, and that the calendar work week is on specific days as well. Could be including the weekend for some users. On initial opening of the calendar view screen, and we can specify which screen would we like to view, and then which tab, the day, week or month view, and also days to display on the week view, and work hours to display color coded on the calendar as well. So if we have a look at the calendar and explain all these in more detail. So let's go into the calendar. So now we've automatically gone into the tasks week view because that's one of the preference, but obviously we can toggle between different calendar screens. Another of the options was that to display a certain number of days in the week view, which normally I suppose there's 7 days in a week, but this week view is more than just a week view. We could, for example, change that to 15 days, and then we're looking at a set of 15 days in the week view. If you've got a larger screen, you can increase the size of this and everything will expand accordingly. Also, another one of the options on that setup screen was the hours that you work within the day. So if you start at 9 o'clock and finish at 5, well then it's color coded to just give you visually a better idea of your work hours. And also, because we haven't turned on Saturday or Sunday being part of the work week, these are then shown in different colors. And the current color shows in a different color here, which is currently a Saturday. So let's go back into Setup. The next options down here are related to the Gantt list screens. So here we have an option to set the color for the Gantt line to be a specific color. Now, based on type means that either the job type or the task type list screen that you're looking at in either the jobs or the task module, the colors are then based on the types of jobs and tasks, which you can specify under lists and menus. So if we go into lists and menus and we scroll down, and here we're actually looking already at the task type list, you can color code all the task types, and the same with jobs. So if we go back into general, this is where that is relevant to, that you can either use the type specified for the job or the task, or just use a fixed color on the Gantt list screens. You can also default the days to display on the Gantt list screens to whatever number you like as well. So if we take a look at one of the modules, jobs or tasks, that includes those list screens, go into jobs and we click on find all, and we click on list. So on a list screen we have the ability then to go to different types of list screens, including the Gantt list screen. If we click on that, and here for example we can see that some of the tasks or jobs at the bottom of this list are occurring on the dates we're currently looking at. So the colors for these are based on, well, they would be based on the task or the job type if we have assigned a color in setup lists and menus to a type called manufacturing. So based on that color then you'd see the color here. And the other option that was on the Gantt or the calendar setup screen was to display X amount of days on these types of screens, which you can see in here, but you can also change in here as well. So let's say we put in 10 and then click out of that, and it'll then update the screen to view just 10 days across.